Hi, welcome to Sanctuary Lighting Part 5, an introductory information series about getting you started in the task of procuring a lighting system for your house of worship. I'm Dan Tulloch, one of the sales representatives specializing in sanctuary lighting here at Christie Lights. This episode is about dimming and control. We employ many types of dimming and control in the installations we design and engineer. After working from the lighting synopsis, we can design a system to control the fixtures in a sanctuary to do virtually any task that is required. Currently, my favorite brand of dimmers are the ETC DR and sensor racks. These dimmer enclosures can accommodate all the different types of control modules ETC manufactures. When considering these class of dimmer racks, they must be installed in a dedicated dimmer room or electrical room, which provides air evacuation to dissipate the heat created from the dimming loads. We never install these racks on the side of the stage because the fan noise could be picked up by the sound system and interfere during quiet moments in worship. In these racks, the dimming modules simply slide into the rails on the enclosure, making for fast service and quick changeovers. So right here are the rails, and basically you take your good module, slide out the bad module, slide the good module in, and turn the power back on, and you're ready to go again if you do have a failure. ETC even has a 24-hour-a-day helpline that you can call where you are guaranteed assistance within 20 minutes of your phone call. From this helpline, the factory can help you deal with your emergency and will also notify our office of the occurrence. So you as a customer are never without an option for help in an emergency. ETC manufactures basic dimmer modules like the very popular D20 module you see here, which is a dual 2.5K module which is used extensively in houses of worship, theaters, theme parks, and community centers all over the world. For advanced needs and state-of-the-art studio requirements, ETC manufactures the D20E module as well. These dimmer modules are available with advanced features which allow for dimmer feedback, programs, and automatic status checks as well. ETC also makes a series of more economical dimmers called the Smart series of dimmers. The Smart dimmers are a good quality, economically priced dimmer intended for use in small installations of 10 to 30 fixtures and limited use. Smart packs have many features available as well as reasonably priced 5 and 10 button wall mount stations known as the Link system. Usually after the lighting synopsis is complete, we would configure an appropriate dimming system for your house of worship. We at that point work with you to put together a control requirement list for the wall and entry stations, very similar as we would with the lighting fixture synopsis. Lighting is a very detailed process. We design and configure it element by element, working through all the requirements in detail. Besides the wall mount and fader stations that we would use like this, we also would employ sensors to help with daylight harvesting. When narthexes and lobbies have large windows with natural light, the output from the sensors can be programmed to drop the light levels to compensate for the abundance of natural light to conserve energy. Activity rooms can be configured to change their control functions when temporary dividing walls are slid in different positions to segment the larger space into smaller meeting rooms. The point is, the ETC dimming line we sell has just about any control device or software feature to configure any control requirement in a house of worship. The large sensor dimmer racks can be zoned and configured to control lighting in the main sanctuary as well as surrounding meeting rooms in the same venue. In houses of worship where there is a lighting operator, Christie Lights sells the ETC Ion and EOS series of consoles that have come out in the past year. These consoles blend affordability with sophistication to control conventional lighting fixtures as well as the latest automated lighting and LED fixtures. The Ion consoles can be upgraded with extra fader wings and software as your lighting needs increase with new technology and inventory. We can offer comprehensive training sessions once you take possession of your system and decrease the length of the learning curve. We can supply technicians to work with you on your first presentation to make sure the lighting control conversion is seamless and enjoyable for you, the operator. We sell many other types of dimming products as well, including the ETC Smart Bar, which is a bar with mounts for fixtures and built-in dimmers for each circuit. In some applications, this can be a very effective, low-cost way to light a house of worship, requiring minimal fixtures. This is the last segment in our Sanctuary Lighting series for now. If you'd like further information on any of the topics in the series, or would like to get together and discuss your house of worship needs, go to our website displayed on the bottom of the screen. Click on my email address and forward me your questions. I'm Dan Tulloch. Hope to work with you soon.